Hey investors, it's This Week in Forex, Cryptocurrency and Stocks. I'm Kiana Danielle, founder of Investiva.com, and I will give you your 5-minute overview of all these markets in just a moment. But before we get started, remember that investing in the financial markets involves risk of loss, and you should only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Make sure to calculate your risk tolerance before selecting the assets to invest in. Stick around until the end of this short video and give it a thumbs up if you like it. If you want to get the 3 secrets to make your money work for you and generate passive income, don't forget to attend my masterclass by clicking on the link in the description area. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Forex is first. Last week was an exciting week in the world of Forex trading though the Federal Reserve decided to lower interest rates, effectively increasing the money supply. Markets were still cautious due to signs that another interest rate drop was unlikely to occur. This week we'll pay close attention to as many central bankers as we could because they're expected to deliver major speeches. We'll also keep an eye on upcoming reports, including industry reports, consumer confidence surveys, and other end-of-quarter updates. Meanwhile, despite Canada's lack of upcoming reports, the Loonie has been kept afloat due to continuing oil tensions in the Middle East. Europe's currencies had a generally stable week last week, though new waves of Brexit uncertainty can be expected to deliver some trouble for the British pound. Stay tuned for pending updates coming directly from the Bank of England. In Asia, we'll pay close attention to a speech being delivered from the Bank of Japan. We'll also monitor how the changing trade tensions between the US and China impact the global currency market. It will be a very busy week for the world's central banks as we prepare for the year's closing quarter. Next is the cryptocurrency market. It was a bit of a disappointing week for Bitcoin, which finished the week about $300 lower than it started and dipped below the $10,000 mark for the first time since beginning of the month. Bitcoin continued to fall during the day on Monday, though its price still remains within a relatively contained range. Elsewhere in the cryptocurrency community, IBM announced a willingness to work with Facebook in order to further develop blockchain technologies. This news comes as Facebook has been closely watched by regulators overlooking its Libra project. The crypto industry has received increased attention from CEOs around the world, including a new look from Overstock's Patrick Byrne. Many of today's largest online retailers are pushing for added payment options just ahead of the holiday season. We'll see how today's top coins fare, especially with Bitcoin looking more than bearish than usual. Taking a closer look actually at the Bitcoin price action versus the US dollar on the daily chart, it's once again back to the 38% Fibonacci retracement level of 9,805. This Fibonacci traces Bitcoin's uptrend that started in February and topped out in June of this year. The pair remained below the daily Ichimoku cloud, and the future cloud remains bearish. If the current bearish momentum persists, we may revisit the 50% Fibonacci level of 8,604. Many Bitcoin enthusiasts may identify this level as an awesome buying opportunity. I'd love to know if you'd buy Bitcoin at this level. Let me know in the comments. Next, last but not least, is the stock market. The Fed's announcement had a lukewarm effect on the stock market, with most major indexes ending the week on a slightly negative note. Even though the markets heated up during the afternoon last Wednesday, their newfound momentum was largely lost by the closing bell. The Federal Reserve added about $50 billion to the financial system this Monday, which may give some traders a bit more flexibility. Traders are also reportedly more optimistic about the future, backing away from many of their August bets that heavily indicated a coming recession. At the same time, incoming data from last week suggests that global growth may be beginning to stall. Developing deals between the United States and China will have a major impact on the future movement of the global capital. We'll keep you updated as this bitter trade battle continues to unfold. We'll also pay attention to how oil prices continue to fluctuate and how changing interest rates will impact the markets. That about does it for this week's news. I'll be sharing my personal investment strategies for Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrency in Investiva's premium investing group, also known as the Pig, on Tuesday. If you like this video, like it and subscribe so you won't miss out on my next update. And of course, if you'd like to know how I make $12,000 passive income per month during any time, literally even during maternity leave, make sure to attend my 3 Secrets to Making Your Money Work for You masterclass by clicking on the link in the description area. Again, thank you so much for watching Investiva, and remember, make your money work for you. Da, da, da.